TFNN. Headline News Update.
Morning, folks. Tommy O'Brien, TFNN. It's August 1st, 9 a.m., 30 minutes till that opening bell. Let's see what we have going on in the market. Markets marginally higher this morning. S&P futures up 6, 24.74. Dow futures up about 107. NASDAQ futures up 18. We got crude oil off slightly. Crude oil API numbers tonight, EIA numbers tomorrow, Wednesday at 10:30 Eastern Time. Gold off 70 cents, 12.72. And let's jump around and see where we have the VIX trading with the market higher this morning. Of course, the VIX creeping lower, $10.12 this morning pre-market. And what else do we have going on? So we have the big culprit this afternoon, of course, Apple. Apple coming out with their earnings after the bell. 149.05 right now pre-market. We'll see where they come in with those earnings, but that could add some volatility to the NASDAQ 100. And of course, we'll jump over to that Nadex platform because those spreads, binary options closing at 415. That's a trade that you might want to take a look at. And we'll see what kind of setups we have. But let's jump around to other NASDAQ stocks. Microsoft, 72.92. Amazon, 9.93. Having some struggling days since their 1083 spike high. And how about Alphabet, good old Alphabet, 933. So let's jump over to that Nadex platform. And as we said, we have Apple coming out after the bell. I pulled up some of the spreads. Here are some of the spreads. We have 59.02 NASDAQ 100 trading right now, looking at the September contract. And, you know, opportunities on both sides. These were the daily ones here. If you want different trade setups, if you're maybe more bullish, looking for a positive one, here's 59.15, completely out of the money. And you're looking at risking 54 versus 246 for the $250. Is that right? For the $300 pie, yeah, from 30 points, 59.15. So these are what we were looking at as we come back either this morning or coming into 4 o'clock. And then, of course, you don't have to stay with those, even the binaries. Let's just say indice binaries. I'm interested in even just today, these binaries expiring at 415. So you will be open to the volatility that Apple is going to throw in there as this market comes in. And we'll take a look at it. Stay tuned, folks. Lots of good action today. We got our man, Mr. Larry Pesavento, coming up at 9 o'clock. I'll be back here at 10 o'clock with Tom. Basil Chapman, swim lessons. Steve Rhodes, Dave White. Have a great day, folks. We'll see you at 10 o'clock. Thanks.
Has the current market volatility continued to stop you out of trades when the market spikes against you? Now is the perfect time to open up an account with Nadex. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a brand new, completely regulated Chicago-based exchange, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their completely free trading platform, which also features real-time charts and full customization capability. One of the advantages of trading with Nadex in volatile markets is that your risk is always capped and you have the ability of keeping your trades open even when the market spikes against you. Nadex is completely brand new with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com. Or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors.